corporate strategies for managing risk in construction projects. Construction projects are inherently risky due to the various factors such as changing regulations, unpredictable weather, fluctuating material costs, and the complexity of coordinating multiple stakeholders. Managing these risks effectively is crucial for the success of any construction project, as failures or delays can lead to cost overruns, legal issues, and reputational damage. As the construction industry evolves, so do the strategies companies use to identify, assess, and manage risks. In this article, we will explore various corporate strategies that construction companies employ to mitigate risks, ensure project success, and improve the overall safety and efficiency of their operations. Risk identification and assessment. The first step in managing risk is identifying and assessing potential hazards that could impact a construction project. This involves a comprehensive evaluation of all the factors that could influence the project, such as financial risks, legal risks, operational risks, environmental risks, and safety risks. Companies can use a variety of tools, including risk matrices, SWOT analysis, or strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and brainstorming sessions with key stakeholders to identify these risks early. Early identification helps construction managers develop appropriate strategies and allocate resources more effectively. The goal is to be proactive, addressing risks before they escalate into larger issues that could delay or derail a project. Comprehensive risk management plans. Once risks have been identified, construction companies develop a risk management plan to address them. This plan outlines strategies for dealing with various risks and includes measures for risk avoidance, mitigation, and contingency planning. A risk management plan may cover issues such as risk avoidance, strategies to eliminate risks altogether, for example, selecting a different site to avoid environmental concerns. Risk mitigation, strategies to reduce the severity of the risk, for example, using high-quality materials to minimize the risk of construction failure. Contingency planning, preparing for unforeseen risks by creating backup plans such as financial reserves or emergency response teams to respond quickly to unexpected issues. Having a clear and detailed risk management plan ensures that construction companies are ready for a wide range of potential challenges. Insurance and bonding. Construction projects often involve significant financial investment, making insurance and bonding essential risk management tools. Insurance policies can protect against various risks, including worker injuries, property damage, equipment malfunctions, and project delays. Some common types of insurance used in construction include general liability insurance to cover accidents or property damage, workers' compensation insurance for injuries sustained on the job, builder's risk insurance covers damage to a building under construction. Additionally, bonding provides a guarantee to project owners that contractors will complete the project as agreed. If the contractor fails to meet their obligations, the bond can be used to cover the costs of finding a replacement contractor or completing the work. Contractual risk management. Contracts are a key tool for managing risks in construction projects. Well-drafted contracts help clarify the roles, responsibilities, and expectations of all parties involved, thereby reducing the likelihood of disputes and misunderstanding. A clear contract can address issues such as payment terms, ensuring that payments are made on time and according to the agreed schedules. Change orders, outlining how modifications to the project scope will be handled, including cost adjustments and timeline extensions. Dispute resolution, providing mechanisms for resolving conflicts without resorting to litigation, such as mediation or arbitration. Indemnity clauses, protecting one party from certain liabilities caused by the actions of another party. By using contracts to clearly define the scope and terms of the project, companies can avoid many legal and financial risks that may arise during the project lifecycle. Safety and health management. Construction sites are high-risk environments where worker safety is a top priority. Implementing comprehensive safety protocols not only protects workers but also reduces the risk of accidents that can lead to project delays, increased costs, and legal liabilities. Effective safety and health management strategies include safety training programs to ensure workers are aware of potential hazards and know how to use equipment safely, regular site inspections to identify and address safety hazards promptly, personal protective equipment requirements such as helmets, safety glasses, and high visibility clothing, accident reporting systems to track and analyze safety incidents to prevent future occurrences. By fostering a culture of safety, construction companies can reduce the likelihood of accidents and create a safer working environment for all stakeholders. Effective communication and collaboration. Risk management in construction requires clear and consistent communication among all project stakeholders, including contractors, subcontractors, suppliers, architects, and project owners. Miscommunication or lack of communication can lead to misunderstandings, delays, and costly mistakes. Strategies for improving communication and collaboration include regular project meetings to discuss progress, risks, and potential issues, collaborative project management software that allows all stakeholders to access real-time information and updates about the project, designating a risk manager or project manager who is responsible for ensuring that risks are being monitored and addressed, clear reporting structures so that all parties are aware of their responsibilities and how to communicate concerns effectively. Effective communication ensures that everyone involved in the project is aligned and that risks are addressed promptly. Technology and automation. Technology plays a crucial role in managing risks in modern construction projects. Advanced tools like building information modeling, project management software, and drones can help reduce risks by improving accuracy, coordination, and efficiency. For example, BIM enables construction teams to visualize the entire project before work begins, allowing them to identify potential design flaws and conflicts in advance. Project management software helps track timelines, budgets, and resources, ensuring that the project stays on track and within budget. Drones can be used for site inspections, giving managers an aerial view of the project and identifying potential safety hazards or issues that are not visible from the ground. By adopting these technological innovations, construction companies can streamline operations and reduce the likelihood of errors that could lead to costly delays or risks. Contingency budgets. One of the most common strategies for managing risk is to set aside a contingency budget to account for unexpected costs. Construction projects are often subject to unforeseen challenges, such as price fluctuations in materials, labor shortages, or weather delays. A contingency budget provides a financial buffer to cover these unexpected expenses without derailing the project. Typically, a contingency budget is set at a percentage of the total project cost, depending on the level of uncertainty involved. For example, a high-risk project in a volatile market might have a larger contingency fund than a more predictable project. Having this financial safety net ensures that the company can continue to move forward with the project without compromising on quality or timelines. Supplier and subcontractor management. The performance of suppliers and subcontractors is critical to the success of construction projects. If suppliers fail to deliver materials on time or subcontractors do not meet quality standards, it can lead to significant project delays and increased costs. To manage this risk, construction companies can implement the following strategies. Pre-qualification of suppliers and subcontractors to ensure they have the necessary skills, experience, and financial stability to complete the work. Regular performance reviews to monitor the progress of subcontractors and suppliers and address any issues early on. Clear contracts and agreements with detailed expectations for quality, timelines, and penalties for non-performance. By effectively managing relationships with suppliers and subcontractors, companies can reduce the likelihood of delays and quality issues that could impact the project's success. Post-project evaluation. After a construction project is completed, conducting a post-project evaluation is a valuable tool for managing risks in future projects. A post-project evaluation involves reviewing what went well, what went wrong, and what could have been done differently. This process typically includes a review of project performance in terms of cost, time, and quality.